In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to justify text in Bluebeam. If your PDF markups look a bit uneven along the right edge, justifying the text will give them a clean, polished column look, perfect for professional review sets and submittals. I'll walk you through the exact steps and share a few practical pointers so you get consistent results every time. Start by opening your PDF in Bluebeam Revu. Make sure you're working in the document where your notes already exist. Justification in Revu applies to text inside markups, so this process is meant for items like text boxes and callouts rather than the original uneditable page content. Next, click to select the text box or callout that contains the text you want to format. You'll know it's selected when you see the handles around the markup. If you need to adjust multiple notes the same way, you can select more than one at a time, and the property changes will apply to all selected markups. Keep in mind that justification won't affect plain non-markup text baked into the PDF. With your markup selected, open the Properties panel on the right side of the interface. If you don't see it, press Alt+P to toggle it on. The Properties panel is where Revu exposes formatting controls for the tools you have selected, so the options you need will only appear when a text box or callout is actively selected. Inside the Properties panel, look for the Text section and locate the text alignment controls. You'll see the familiar alignment choices including left, center, right, and justify. Left alignment gives you a clean left edge with a ragged right. Justify evens both edges by adjusting word spacing across each line. Click Justify to apply full justification to the selected text. The change should appear immediately, making the left and right edges of your paragraph line up neatly. If your text box is very narrow or the font size is large, you might notice wider spaces between words. Simply widening the text box can help the spacing look more natural. Also, watch out for single words on the last line. Those won't stretch, which is normal for justified text. That's all there is to it. Open your PDF, select the text box or callout, open the Properties panel, find the alignment controls, and choose Justify. This small adjustment goes a long way toward making your notes clearer, more readable, and presentation ready. If you follow these steps each time you add or edit markup text, your documents will have a consistent professional finish.